Hello guys, welcome to our compact life planner. So I'm gonna introduce you our compact life planner. I'm gonna click the calendar here. Our calendar have two sides. On the right side you will get calendar. On the left side you will get project and important dates that you can write. Our compact life planner is so complete, as you can see. On the right page we have finance, personal, notes, productivity, and project. On the left side we have health and fitness and etc. as you can see. Next, I will click monthly planner. This is our monthly planner. And I will click our daily planner. This is our daily planner. We have many choices that you can choose. And this, I picked the first one. Next, I will click month at a glance. This is our month at a glance. Next, I will click monthly reflection. This is our monthly reflection. Next, let's into the most interesting things. We have 16 icons that you can click. So the first one we have Gmail. If you want to message someone, your friend or anything else, you can just click the Gmail one. And then you can start messages. Next, if you're bored and want to listen to the music, you can just click this icon. And just play your music. Okay, next we have Netflix. If you are bored, want to watch a movie or series, you can click this icon. And it will automatically go to the Netflix page and start watching. Next, we have YouTube. If you don't want to watch a movie on Netflix, you can watch on YouTube. Don't worry, we have YouTube here. It will automatically go to the YouTube page and start writing what you want to watch. Or if you want to watch a movie while you're planning, you can just use split view here. And just open your GoodNotes and start planning. Next, we have Google Drive here. Next, we have Dropbox. If you're sticker on Dropbox, you can just click this icon and go to the Dropbox. You can use split view to help you planning. Next, we have calendar here. Next, we have health here, that you can check your health. We have Safari too. So if you want to search something, you can use this icon and click this icon. And just start to write what you want to search. Don't forget too, we have reminder here. So if you want to write something or reminder, you can click this icon. It will help you more easier. Next icon, we have gallery here. Next, we have this book icon. So if you want to chill, you can just click this icon. Then you can start read what you want. Next, we have Apple TV here. If you don't want to watch Netflix and YouTube, you can go to Apple TV. We have Apple TV here. You can start type and search what you want. Don't forget we have notes here too. Click and it will go automatically to the notes. The last one we have mail. So guys, this is our compact life planner. You can choose your theme and your design on this planner. Make it as unique as you. It's time to get yours now on our store. Thank you for watching guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.